Over the course of this series, we've comprehensively explored AUTOSAR, from its very basics in architecture, to its evolution from classic to adaptive AUTOSAR. We've also uncovered how AUTOSAR is vital for fueling the software-driven revolution in the automotive space, with the emergence of electric and autonomous technologies. In this video, we'll take a look at the pressing need for engineers to upskill in AUTOSAR to stay competitive and relevant in the rapidly evolving automotive industry. As vehicles continue to incorporate advanced technologies like autonomous driving and connectivity, expertise in AUTOSAR has become crucial for developing safe, efficient, and innovative automotive software. Upskilling in AUTOSAR not only opens up new career opportunities, but also enables engineers to contribute effectively to cutting-edge automotive projects. This will undoubtedly keep them at the forefront of industry advancements. In addition to this, upskilling in AUTOSAR enhances an engineer's ability to adapt to changing industry standards and technological shifts, ensuring long-term professional success and job security in the automotive sector. The job market for skilled AUTOSAR engineers is robust and growing due to several key factors. First, the automotive industry is increasingly relying on embedded software to power advanced features like ADAS, autonomous driving, and connectivity. All of this creates a high demand for engineers with AUTOSAR expertise to develop and maintain these systems. Second, as vehicles become more complex and software-intensive, there is a pressing need for professionals who can ensure the security and efficiency of automotive software without compromising on safety. Adding on to this, AUTOSAR is a globally recognized standard, which means that engineers with proficiency in this framework automatically become valuable assets for automotive companies. With the right set of upskilled engineers, companies can meet international regulatory requirements and compete in the global market. As a matter of fact, engineers with demonstrated expertise in AUTOSAR are in high demand. This expertise can lead to career advancement, including promotions and leadership roles, as companies seek skilled professionals to lead AUTOSAR-based projects. Moreover, upskilled AUTOSAR engineers are better equipped to adapt to evolving industry standards and technology trends. This in turn reduces the risk of job displacement and ensures long-term job security. Now the question arises, how can you upskill yourself in AUTOSAR? Learn the basics. For starters, you can begin by gaining a strong understanding of AUTOSAR's architecture, concepts, and terminology. This can be done by studying introductory materials, reading AUTOSAR documentation, and exploring online resources dedicated to AUTOSAR fundamentals. Hands-on experience. Next comes hands-on experience. You can actively seek out opportunities to work on AUTOSAR-based projects. These can be within your current job or personal projects. Hands-on experience is considered to be one of the most effective ways to widen your knowledge and understanding. Formal training programs. You may also consider enrolling in formal training programs or workshops that focus on AUTOSAR. Specific tool vendors and training institutions provide in-depth knowledge and hands-on practice on all there is to know about AUTOSAR. Online resources. Leveraging online tutorials, forums, and communities dedicated to AUTOSAR are another one of your options. This lets you participate in discussions, ask questions, and share knowledge with others in the field. With this mode of learning, you'll get to work through problems yourself, as well as pace the speed at which you learn. Documentation and standards. It's important to familiarize yourself with AUTOSAR documentation and standards. Explore official AUTOSAR specifications and guidelines, as they serve as crucial references for AUTOSAR development. Tool familiarity. You can also get comfortable with the software tools commonly used in AUTOSAR development, such as configuration tools, code generators, and debugging tools. Practice using these tools in real-world scenarios to enhance your proficiency. Collaboration and mentorship. Another effective mode of upskilling is collaborating with colleagues and peers who have AUTOSAR experience. Learning from others and seeking mentorship can accelerate your understanding and provide valuable insights. Continuous learning.
AUTOSAR, like many technology domains, is continually evolving.
Staying updated with the latest developments, new features, and updates to the AUTOSAR standard is therefore important. This can be done by regularly reading industry news and attending relevant webinars or conferences.
Certifications. You may also consider pursuing AUTOSAR-related certifications or courses that offer certificates. These certifications can validate your expertise and make you more competitive in the job market. By following these practical steps, engineers can systematically upskill in AUTOSAR, becoming proficient in this critical framework for automotive software development. This expertise is not limited to just their careers, but also extends to the continued success and innovation of the automotive industry. Over the years, engineers with the right skills in AUTOSAR have played a central role in facilitating the development of cutting-edge automotive software technologies. They have leveraged their AUTOSAR knowledge to make the process of software integration into vehicles streamlined and seamless for maximum compatibility and reliability. For instance, in the popular Advanced Driver Assistance Systems division, AUTOSAR-savvy engineers have effectively designed software architectures that enable seamless interaction between sensors, control systems, and vehicle components. Similarly, in connected cars and autonomous driving, AUTOSAR experts have harnessed the framework's modularity to efficiently integrate infotainment systems, over-the-air updates, and complex autonomous driving software stacks. This expertise has paved the way for innovations that are shaping the future of the automotive industry, making vehicles smarter, safer, and more efficient. It's evident that with AUTOSAR, automakers and suppliers keep in line with the industry's rapid evolution, ensuring that vehicles are not only safe and reliable, but also equipped with the innovative features and functionalities demanded by today's consumers.
With more advancements in software technologies, there's never been a more compelling time to upskill in AUTOSAR. By acquiring expertise in this critical framework, you're not just staying relevant, you're positioning yourself as a valuable asset to the industry's future. The demand for skilled AUTOSAR engineers is soaring, and this expertise opens doors to exciting career opportunities and job security in a dynamic field. Getting hands-on AUTOSAR expertise will have you shaping the future of mobility, as well as being a driving force behind safer, smarter, and more connected vehicles. Take the step today to put yourself at the forefront of automotive excellence.